Now, if you own a credit repair business and you would like to make a profit, then watch this video because I'm going to talk about 10 things you can do to guarantee that you'll never make a cent in your credit repair business. Now, why am I talking about things that you can do that will never make you a dollar in your credit repair business? Because it's a new way of thinking called inversion thinking. What inversion thinking is that our brains are better at finding problems than they are at finding solutions. So if I can tell you 10 things that you can do that will never make you a cent in your business, then all you have to do to be successful is not do them, right? So if you never want to make a dollar in your credit repair business, then the first thing you need to do is take financial advice from poor people. Free advice is the most expensive advice you never have to pay for. But if you do want to make money, hire someone that's done something that you have not done, whether it's the marketing, whether it's the sales. The second way you can guarantee you'll never gain a profit in your credit repair business is selling the trip and not the resort. The best way to explain that is that, I remember going to the recruiter's office in the military, and they were telling me how, I was guaranteed a check, I was going to get housing, I was going to get to travel the world. Now, what the recruiter was doing is he was selling me resorts. What he wasn't doing is selling me the flight. He wasn't telling me that I was gonna have to get up at 2, 4 in the morning every day. He wasn't telling me that, I wasn't never gonna go home and see my family. He wasn't telling me all these other things. He was selling me the resort instead of the trip. So the reason I say that is because when credit repair businesses, when you start to sell your credit repair services, it seems like more credit repair business owners are selling the process. No one cares about what letters you're sending out. No one cares about the loopholes. No one cares about your experiences. No one cares about the process. No one cares about the any of the work. People only care about the resort, about the vacation. So sell the vacation, not the plane ride. Number three way to guarantee that you're never going to be successful in your credit repair business is that you want to make sure that you avoid discomfort at all costs. You want to fail one time and just quit. Fuck it. Nah, fuck it. Just quit. Um, if you've done something and it didn't work the first time, just never do it again. You know what I mean? If someone tells you that it didn't work for them, don't even try it. That is how you guarantee that you're going to fail as well. The fourth way to guarantee that you're gonna fail in your credit repair business is all the leads you get, fuck following up with them. Never follow up with them. If you talk to them once and they don't like, it's not working out, or you talk to them once, don't follow up. Forget it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? But if you do want to make money in your credit repair business, I recommend you do follow up. But if not, I mean, hey, that's cool. The fifth way to guarantee that you're going to fail in your credit repair business is to wait for the perfect opportunity, because everyone knows waiting for the perfect opportunity comes. Shit is going to align perfectly, and that's when you're going to go. All right. If you never want to be successful, wait for the perfect opportunity. But if you do want to be successful, you're going to have to go out and make those opportunities. You're going to have to go out and build that team. You're going to go out, you have to go out and do the things that creates the opportunity for you. Six, if you never want to make any money in your credit repair business, don't worry about testimonials and don't worry about social proof. Like when you get amazing results for your clients, make sure not to ask them for testimonials. Make sure not to get any social proof so that other people know the great experience and the great result that you provide in your credit repair business. That's the number six way. That's the sixth way on how to fail in your credit repair business. So if you want to fail, make sure you do that. Number seven, if you really, like for real, if you really want to, like, never really stand out, never really want to turn this business into a 6 or 7 figure credit repair company, make sure you do the same thing that everyone else is doing in your competition. If they're pricing it this way, you price it that way. If they're doing this service, you do that service. You want to just be like everyone else. That's how you feel. All right, just that's what you do. The eighth thing that you need to do to fail and not grow your credit repair business is don't find strategic partnerships that can send you free business. Don't find people that have the same customers as you and partner up with them so that y'all can both share business together and both grow and both get leads and clients for free. Don't do that. That's stupid. Number nine, if you really want to fail in your credit repair business, you want to hire dumb people. You want to not pay them well at all. You want to hire people you don't trust. You want to hire people with no skills, with no talents. You want to hire people that's really going to, um, you know, fuck your business up. You know what I mean? That's what you want to do. Now, the 10th and the final thing to um, create a failing credit repair business is you have to have the mindset that you're a credit repair specialist and not a business owner. Because the difference is from a credit repair specialist and a business owner, a credit repair specialist is worried about working in the business. A business owner is working about working on the business. So you always want to work in the business. You always want to be overwhelmed. You never want to delegate anything to anyone, and you just want to be locked in where you're really not having a lot of time for yourself. You're basically, just tired, exhausted, and just working in the business. That's what you want to do. So if you really want to have a failing credit repair business, them are the 10 things that you must do. But if you want to own a 6, 7 figure credit repair business and you want to be successful at it, then I advise you not to do none of those 10 things and do the exact opposite.